Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm back here in our Backsplash department. This is part of our cabinet shop, but it's very unique because backsplashes, they really add a beauty to a kitchen and bathroom area. Just want to give you a peek of some of the backsplashes that we're using these days. And as designs evolve and change, there's so many different options out there for backsplashes. Here's one. It has a kind of a translucent, three-dimensional look to it. Just beautiful. You can do so many things with the look of your kitchen and bathroom area. Just going to walk around here to some of the cool looking backsplashes. Here's one that kind of resembles a fishbone kind of look to it. Just amazing. And these backsplashes, they're just like the kind that you would get for your home kitchen. No difference. And they are professionals at installing these back here. Look at this one. Kind of a subway tile look to it. Here's some stone that goes around our fireplaces. Don't you just love the look, the rich feel of that stone? Hey, this is some stuff that you can do. You can dream about what you would have your kitchen look like. Visit us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com or give us a call. Ask us some questions about our backsplashes. 844-284-6678 or get us on the web at, like I said, luxefifthwheel.com.